Okay guys, so in this video we are logged in as supervisor, right? So for example, if I'm logged in as supervisor and I want to visit the admin dashboard, right, which is not authorized for me, so then it's redirecting me on this welcome page, right? So now I don't want to redirect myself on this welcome page. I want to redirect me on the supervisor web page again, right? So how I can implement this? So let's get started. So here I have implemented this admin dashboard, right? So where I written this logic to returning to the home page, right? So I have added this admin slash dashboard, and then this would be the supervisor dashboard to call them from their name, right? Supervisor dot dashboard, and this would be the user dot dashboard to differentiate those routes. Okay, so here I don't want to return this on the welcome page. If the user role is admin, right, I want to redirect this on the admin page. But if the user role is simple user or maybe supervisor, so I want to redirect this on the supervisor dot dashboard, right? So we'll make sure that whenever our user will be redirected on the supervisor page, so it will be automatically if the user role is simple user, right? So now this should be redirected on the user page, not the supervisor page, right? So let's give it a try, and otherwise we'll use this using the if else condition, or we can also do this now. Let me do it now to make any of the exception. Else if the user role equal is supervisor, right? So now I want to redirect this user on the supervisor. Oops, here I want to redirect this on the supervisor route to route supervisor dashboard, right? Otherwise, if the user isn't supervisor, so I want to redirect this on the simple dashboard. So here if I want to access the now supervisor route, so I'm able to dashboard not defined, right? Why? Because this dashboard isn't exist in the dashboards. We need to change this into the all of the dashboard, unfortunately. So let me go here to the dashboard, and I'm going to do this where I need to do this. I think it's in the all layouts. So the dashboard would be the, let's search this dashboard. No, it's not there. So this would be maybe in the profile. No. I need to figure out that where on which blade it's throwing this error. So it would be navigation blade. Okay, find the navigation blade here. So this route is defined here multiple places. So let me track this how many times it's defined, and here I'm going to I can use the redirect slash just dashboard to not get any exception, right? So let's get refresh, and yes, now I'm logged in as supervisor. If I want to access the administrator route, admin slash dashboard, so I will not able to access this administrator dashboard. Why? Because my role is supervisor, right? So if I will hit enter, it will direct me back on the supervisor role. So let's get refresh, and yes, we are back on the supervisor. If I do it again, let's get refresh, and yes, redirected on the supervisor dashboard. So now what if my role is simple user, right? Simple user, and here I cannot access the supervisor role. So let's get refresh, and yes, we are redirected on the home page because we haven't tried this logic for the user middleware. And now if user want to access his dashboard, so yes, he can. But if he want to access the now admin route, so first he will check that if this is a admin. If not, redirected on the supervisor, check that supervisor role. If not, then redirected on the simple user. Let's get refresh, and yes, directed back on again the simple user. If I visit the supervisor here, still redirected on the home page, right? So we can write this logic here for the other middleware right? Let me copy this. If I go here, visit this dashboard, if the user isn't logged in, so then I want to write this on this home page, right? Otherwise, if the user is a simple user and he want to access the supervisor page, so he will be redirected on the user dashboard, right? Or we can also add the if else condition to check that what's his role. If I visit the supervisor, so he will not be able to access the supervisor role, but he will be directed on the user dashboard. Let's get refresh, and yes, he is directed on the user dashboard. So in this way you can validate your user that which part they can access. You can also write this logic in the middleware in the views, here, let me close this one, close everyone. If you want to use only single blade for all user, so how you can use this and separate this logic in the blade. So I think I need to shoot this in the next video, because this one is going 6 minutes long, so I'll shoot this in the next video. So this one is another topic. So let's stay connected for the next video, and if you like the video, subscribe this channel to support me on my mission. Thank you. Bye bye.